All right, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? We're here at Hutong in Dubai for Token2049, and we're at an exclusive Zoniqx hosted event. I've got none other than Daniel, the CEO and co-founder of StegX, a German-based technology-enabled company. Daniel, it's so good to meet you in the flesh here. How you doing?
I'm doing well. I'm here today in Dubai since a few days. Very nice place here with my friends from Zoniqx, who help us to operate our tokenization marketplace for real estate. So happy to speak with you.
Thank you very much for sharing your time with me. Why are you pursuing tokenizing real estate or real world assets on the XRPL, leveraging Zoniqx?
We are using XRPL and Hedera for tokenizing real estate because they provide us the cross-border capabilities which we need to connect assets and investors on a global scale.
Would you be willing to share any of the real estate opportunities that you're tokenizing out of the gates?
Yeah, sure. We are currently working with three distinct family offices from Germany. One is tokenizing assets in Spain, the other one is tokenizing developments in Germany, and the other one is also tokenizing a large-scale development project and other kinds of developments from Germany.
You could potentially tokenize assets all over the world if you really wanted to.
Yeah, obviously we are working together with partners from all around the world. Like when you see how we're traveling, our partnership ecosystem, it's a global ecosystem. For us, it's very important to bridge the gap between assets and capital on a global scale, work together with other partners, and that's how we also utilize the Zoniqx technology to bring assets to the global audience of investors, to make them visible to investors on a global scale, and that's what our marketplace and our name stands for. Our name is actually StegX, it's the bridge, and X is for collaboration. So you see both of those topics right present here in Dubai. The bridge and the collaboration, that's what we want to stand for since day one.
Now, being a pioneer in this space, tokenizing real world assets, also coming from a proud financial institution or firm like you have the fund administration firm in the past, what's something that really stood out that really means a lot to you?
Good question. Overall, I think what really stands out in the tokenization and our journey in this far is to be able to work with partners from all around the world. Every day is like a journey through the world. I work with people from all around the world together. When you can see how many people work on this movement in distinct parts of this world, it's just amazing. Everybody wants to bring their expertise to the game to build something new, a new kind of financial system.
Is tokenization as impactful as we think it is?
It's even more impactful. It's actually something where we had to build everything together. Like, firstly, we did not start with just tokenizing assets. We did it in the other way around. We built an ecosystem first, which is global, which provides us and basically our clients, to be honest, services along the whole value chain. So we cover the whole value chain of real estate under one-stop shop solution. Yeah. And to build all the pieces together took us quite some time. Now integrating it into one platform, which is a global platform, which is developed to cater to the needs of the institutional world of real estate. That's actually what drives me every day. And then to provide the solution to others in the world to raise capital, to manage the assets, and connect the assets to investors. That's really what makes tokenization stand out. But what will come in the future is even more impressive. We are here in Dubai, where there are huge developments like the tokenization of the land registry are happening. Based on that, when you tokenize direct tokenization, when you integrate that in tokenizing the real estate title, you can build more business cases on top. We only see now the surface or the tip of the iceberg, as we always say. But what will come after is really what is driving the market in the next years.
Thank you for sharing that detailed answer. Before I do let you go, Dan, there was one thing that stood out to me. For the tokenization of real estate and the deed, like you mentioned, that needs to be custodied with, I would believe, a reputable institution. Do you think that's why we're seeing the BlackRocks of today purchasing the amount of property at the rate they are today?
It's difficult. I think they currently use the market dynamics, but I don't know whether they do it with the focus in the mind of tokenizing them later. I don't have the insights to that, but I can say one thing for sure is like the business models of the large institutions, they will change over the next 10 years. So from bringing investors into their investment products, it will be a much more collaborative approach necessary. to actually have business models which bring value besides the sole investment purpose. So adding on top on the investment, that will bring value. That will bring value to the investors. And why does it bring value? It will bring excess returns.
And we're here for those returns. Before I let you go, Dan, how has your experience been working with Zoniqx and the Zoniqx team?
Horrible. we worked together with Zoniqx for a long time, and to be honest, they built for us a customized marketplace, a private label solution, which is a marketplace which we need. And they, together with Zoniqx, we are able to push the boundaries with large DLTs, with large protocols in an institutional environment. So building this institutional environment for tokenized assets is only possible when you partner together, when you share the same mindset and you really want to go the same route. And that's, I think, what makes Zoniqx and our collaboration stand out. That's why we also say it's a strategic partnership and not just some kind of a loose relationship.
I love the passion, working with people that share the same wavelength and just staying focused. Dan, it's been a pleasure chatting with you, and I hope you have a safe travel back home to Germany, sir.
I will, and you as well.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.